Hey, and welcome to this short guide on how to set up your DJI accounts. So what you can do is you can go to logbooks in the left menu, then go to DJI Auto Sync, and here at the top right you have this button Add Account. Here you will fill in the email address and the password of your DJI Go account. And if each pilot in your team has its own DJI account, then you can set it up here and say who the pilot is for this account. So IDRONECT will then already know every log that we import from this account and will already be linked to a pilot. So if you have this, it's really handy. And if you don't have it, it's something to think about to create a DJI account for each separate pilot. But yeah, that's it. Then as soon as you've done that, everything will start synchronizing right here. It can take a couple of hours, but you'll see here at the end, account state is synchronized. If you then click details, you can resync the logs. So what this is handy for is because I think we sync the logs only once a day or maybe even every 2 days. So if you've done a flight and you've come back to the office to go check it in your DJI account, it could be that it's not yet in your account. So then you can just click on sync for the last month. It takes a couple of minutes, maybe even less, and then we'll just get your logs for the last month. So your new logs will be in there as well, and that way, yeah, everything will work out fine. If you want to unlink your DJI account, you can do it here. Then you get the option if you want to delete all the existing flight logs that are linked to that account as well. You can edit an account. So if you want to change the default pilot of an account, you can do that here. And if you want to view all the logs that we imported from your account, you can do it by this button. And here you will be able to click on the preview buttons. Because this is a demonstration account, this does not work here. Yeah, that was it. Let me know if you have questions.